Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for July 7th of 2025 is titled Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a diagram today showing the orbits of the inner portion of the solar system. We see the four inner planets from Mercury out through Mars there, Mercury being in the pink, Mars in the red, and then the outermost orbit is that of Jupiter in the gold. Now, the other thing that we see is the white area, the white line kind of going through, and that is the projected orbit of the comet known as 3I Atlas. Now, this is an interstellar comet. This is something we've only found very recently, and in fact, it is only the third such object that we have detected that comes from outside the solar system. So we can have objects. Most of the things we see all come from our solar system. This one and two others going back to 2017 have not come from our solar system and actually come from another solar system somewhere and have then traveled through interstellar space, possibly for billions of years before they finally reach our solar system. And of course, it's just random luck that some of these happen to hit our solar system. There's probably tons more that don't even come anywhere near any solar system and are just traveling through space. So how do we know that it comes from outside our solar system? Well, we can track the orbit, how fast it is moving, the positioning of the orbit, the different parameters of the orbit, and that will tell us that it could not have come from our solar system. So based on the orbit, how fast it is coming in extremely fast in towards the inner solar system. And the specific orbit of it just means that it could not have come from within our solar system. It is actually from beyond. So it's a chance to study an object like that. And said this is only the third chance we've had in the last 10 years or so to really be able to study an object like this. Now, there's probably been a lot more. There have probably been many objects that have come through, but these are three that we know of that have actually been able to be confirmed as coming from outside. Now, is it any danger to us? And that is no. It's not going to come anywhere near Earth. You can actually see the orbit here as it goes through, and that it will pass relatively close to Mars. No danger of it hitting Mars. It won't be anywhere near that close to Mars. And then Jupiter up towards the upper left. So it will pass close to a couple of planets, but you can see where Earth is in its orbit. And as it moves counterclockwise around the sun, it will just get farther away from the comet. So we are in absolutely no danger. There is no way it can possibly strike Earth or really any of the other planets. It will just zoom right through the solar system and head outside the solar system to continue its journey through interstellar space. So we'll take a look and keep an eye on this over the coming weeks and months to see what exactly happens to Comet 3I Atlas. So that was our picture of the day for July 7th of 2025. It was titled Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Stellar Sisters. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.